Rawr. Hello, Dino Explorers. I'm Dino-Mite Boy. Are you ready to get as strong as a dinosaur? Let's start with the T-Rex reach. Stand tall like a giant T-Rex. Tuck your tiny arms in, curl your claws, and stretch your neck up to see over the tall ferns. Take a deep breath. Feel your prehistoric power. You are big, you are brave, and you are the king of the forest.
Time to fly.
Step your feet wide and stretch your arms out. These are your giant pterodactyl wings. Imagine you're soaring high above the volcanoes and looking for a place to land. Keep your wings steady and your legs strong like mountains. Breathe in the mountain air and breathe out as you glide. You are fast, you are graceful, and you are flying high. Let's show off our armor. Open your arms and legs wide. This is Stegosaurus spikes. Imagine you have strong, colorful plates all down your back. Spread your fingers wide. Those are your protective spikes. Take a big breath in, feel your chest get as wide as a forest. No one can mess with a Stegosaurus as strong as you. Hold your spikes steady. Sure, we have to be very quiet and steady. Can you balance like a balanced raptor? Lift one leg and place it on your calf. Keep your eyes locked on a single leaf on the ground. Raptors are the masters of focus. If you wobble, just imagine your heavy dino tail is keeping you grounded. Deep breath, stay still, stay sharp. Make way for the long necks. Lift your hips high for the Brachiosaurus bridge. We're making a huge arch so our dino friends can walk under us. Push your hands into the mud and stretch your back long like a never-ending neck. Take a big breath, feel that deep stretch. You are the tallest, strongest bridge in the Jurassic world. Time to become as hard as a rock. Drop down and hold your body straight for the fossil plank. Imagine you are a prehistoric fossil hidden deep in the earth. You are unshakable. Keep your tummy tight and your arms as strong as ancient stone. Breathe slowly, don't let your hips touch the mud. You are solid, you are strong, you are a rock star. Step forward and get your horns ready. This is the triceratops charge. Put your horns up and feel the power in your front leg. You are a three-horned hero. Even the biggest T-Rex respects a strong triceratops. Take a big breath. Feel your strength growing. You are ready to protect the herd. Hold your ground, hero. Get low to the ground, dino friends. We're hiding in the tall grass as the low lizard. Come down onto your elbows and keep your body long and flat. This is how we sneak past the big dinosaurs. It's tough, but your muscles are getting Dino-Mite strong right now. Take a deep lizard breath. Keep it steady. You're doing amazing. The sun is up. Lay on your tummy and push your chest up high. Now, give me your best silent roar for the roaring raptor. Roar. Stretch your neck and feel the energy from the sun charging up your scales. You are the fastest and coolest dino in the jungle. Take a big breath in and let that roar out. Let's take a little break in our nest. Sit down and become the nesting egg. Close your eyes and feel how quiet the forest is. Inside this egg, you're growing bigger and stronger every day. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel your heartbeat. Even a mighty dinosaur needs to be still sometimes. Stay calm, stay cozy. Time to balance our heavy armor. Lean forward and lift one leg back for the ankylosaurus tail. Your back leg is like a giant, strong club tail. Keep it straight and steady. Use your tummy muscles to stay balanced even if a T-Rex is nearby. You are heavy, you are strong, and you are unbreakable. Focus on one spot on the ground. The river is rising. Let's build the Dino Bridge. Lay on your back and lift your hips high. We're making a stone bridge so the baby dinos can cross the water. Press your feet into the mud and lift your heart to the sky. Feel the power in your legs. They're like ancient pillars. Keep it high. Don't let the bridge collapse.
Quick.
A big shadow is passing by. Tuck in tight like a hiding hatchling. Hug your knees and become a small, round egg. This is where we keep our magic dino power safe. Feel your back stretching against the warm earth. Take a slow, deep breath. You are safe, you are small, and you are supercharged for later. Let's check the jungle behind us. Sit up tall and do the prehistoric twist. Turn your body and look over your shoulder. Is that a raptor hiding in the ferns? Keep your spine as straight as a tree trunk. This pose helps us stay flexible so we can turn quickly in the forest. Breathe in and twist a little further. We're crossing the swamp. Balance on your bottom and lift your legs for the raptor boat. Reach your claws forward. Don't let the swamp water splash you. This pose makes our Dino-Mite tummy muscles super strong. Breathe deep, stay steady. You're the captain of this prehistoric boat. Come on, sit down comfortably and reach for your toes. This is the folding fern, just like those giant ferns that slowly fold up at night. Give your muscles a nice stretch. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax. Your body is now completely soft and peaceful. Now, become a sleepy stegosaurus. Sit on your knees and lean forward. Rest your forehead gently on the ground. Imagine you are sleeping at the base of a very ancient and peaceful mountain. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel how safe you are in your jungle home. Lay on your back and lift your legs straight up to the sky. You are like a floating fossil drifting in the ancient ocean. Everything feels completely light. Feel the magic flowing back into your heart. Stay very still, just like you are floating in the water. You've done an amazing job today. Let's be a happy triceratops. Grab your feet and rock from side to side. This is our victory dance. Give your back a nice massage on the floor. You are a dino hero, and you finished the prehistoric mission. Rock and roll, little heroes. And finally, we rest as the resting giant. Lay completely still. Your work is done. Your Dino-Strength is now completely calm. Close your eyes, listen to the sound of the ancient forest. You are powerful, You are brave, and you are peaceful. Relax, and let your light shine softly.